Pablo! 1, 2, 3, go! Ready to ramble. Carlo left the mana. Left me Cordero. It's Smith Pulon and Rosefield. Ready to ramble. Boy Sabat. And Ryan the boy appears. Let's get ready to ramble. Avira get to Rosefield to Carlo to Ernest by Cordero to Smith Pulon. Ready to the ready up. And and the last corner bucket. It's Carlos, the Java, the Rams goes, and the winner is...